Good morning, students. I am Bennett from RK Ganjodi Public School, Chengalpat. Today I am going to teach mathematics for grade 8th. Today's topic is linear equations in one variable. Listen, the topic is linear equations in one variable. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to understand linear equation, how to solve linear equations, and easy way to solve linear equations because we having so many methods, but which method is using here to find out the values easily. Look at this. 3 added to a number gives us 10. Find the number. So what is the question? 3 added to a number gives us 10. Find the number. We know it's 7, but that's not the reason to why I asked the question. I want to know how can we represent this problem in simple way. We can probably say x plus 3 is equal to 10. So how we can say x plus 3 equal to 10. 3 is added to the number to get 10. We just define the variable to get that number. This is called an equation. This helps to find the large problem right on the smaller way. This equation has just one variable which is x. Here x is the unknown value. So listen, an equation having only one variable. Here it is x. Only one variable, that is called linear equation in one variable. So how we can define this is linear equation? So all of you listen. In this equation, here it is having the power value in the top of the value, that is 1. Okay, so an equation having the power value 1, that is called linear equation, and here the degree value is 1. So we can write first degree equation in one variable. So this kind of equation is called a linear equation. So listen, there are two ways in which we can solve this equation. First method is inverse operation and the second one is transpose method. So what is the first method? Inverse operation, and the second one is transpose method. Listen, if we use both the methods gives us the same answer. After we solving the equation using both the method, we will realize that the transpose method is preferred over the inverse operation method. So the next we are going to compare the methods. Okay, so here the equation given, that is 2x plus 5 is equal to 13 is the example of the linear equation in one variable. It's linear as the degree of polynomial in 1. Anyway, how to solve this equation? So listen, in the inverse method, we need to subtract 5 from both sides. So the next we get 2x plus 5 minus 5 is equal to 13 minus 5. So here what is the procedure? We need to subtract 5 from both sides. So 5 cancel out of the left. So next we get 2x equal to 8. So what is the procedure we need to do? So next we can dividing both sides by 2. So finally we get x equal to 4. Though it was a very logical way to go about it. It may prove very length for your competitive exams. Okay, so the transpose method gets to the answer a bit faster. To have x on here, what is the question? 2x plus 5 is equal to 13. Now we are going to solve this equation to using transpose method. So transpose 5 on the other side. So we get negative transpose 5 on the other side. So 2x equal to 13 minus 5 and 2x equal to 8. We need to transpose 2 on the other side. We get x equal to 4. If you look at the closely, both methods are actually same, just that the transpose method saves you sometimes. So listen, if you are using two methods, when you use the transpose method, we can easily find the value. It was very fast to get the solution, but the inverse method to get some more times. So comparing these two methods, transpose method is easily find out the solution. The next one, solving equation. Let's try some couple of linear equation how to solve for the value of y, as we need to stay y on our left hand side. Transpose 7 to the right hand side. We get y by 5 is equal to 12 minus 7, which is 5. Not transposing, this 5 is the denominator of the y. So now we get y by 5 is equal to 5. Now we need to transpose the denominator 5 into the right hand side. So here it is 5 times 5 was 25. Now pause the video and try solving the second example in your own, as we need to find the value of a. Let's try getting all terms on a. So here the question given, that is 2a plus 6 is equal to a by 2. Now let's try in your own way to find the value of a. So now listen. We can simultaneously transpose 6 to the other side. We get 2a minus a over 2 and 6 transpose. We get 3a by 2 is equal to minus 6. Solving this linear equation, finally we get the value, that is a is equal to minus 4. So all of you listen, solving linear equation is easy and using transpose method to get the answer quicker. So here what are the things you have studied, what is mean by linear equation, and why we are considering this equation as the linear equation, because this equation having only one variable. So in this equation is one variable having, and the power value is, or a degree value is 1. So this equation is called a linear equation in one variable. And also we are having two methods to solving linear equations. What are the methods? Yes, first one is inverse operation and the second one is transpose method. So which one is best to simplify the answer? Yes, transpose method is very easily to find the answer. Thank you all.